Welcome to Yara. How can I help you?
Open first project.
Anything else?
Go to overview.
Anything else?
Create new task.
What's your task name?
School information system.
Say the members' numbers that you want to add in this task.
4, 5, 6.
Priyal Patel, Barry Lipsy, Chris Ross added to school information system task. Please select target date. Are you sure you want to create this task?
Yes, please.
Task created successfully. Redirecting to project detail page. Anything else?
Go to list.
Anything else?
Open first task.
Anything else?
Start timer.
Timer started successfully. Anything else?
Stop timer.
Timer paused successfully. Anything else?
Complete task.
Task completed successfully. Anything else?
No.
Thank you.